Nibire bo konjumene kuni tite boya kwa tiwe nikiri Nteto chia Weru Thaa Mugwanja mbitawa MUTEMBEI Edward. Minister munene Musalia Mudavadi na ameneretira wari munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua nontuba mendi yawe nthiguru ni Amerika akiwa ni mukunyani na atendete nthiguru yawe ya Kenya. Musalia nethirite akiria ni ontu Gachagua kwithire tumire na kwendetikia urais ndino nkawita na mbere akithugatia utongeria bwa nthiguru ya Kenya na kinya kwithira akerebu meari mithuku ukonia nthiguru iraumite na uritia Kenya kwithira bena ngwatariro na kinya wita na mbere kwambararia nthiguru yo na kwithira bainokiri.
Na tunataka tuwe nationals. Tunataka tuachane na ukabila. Tuepukane na ile siasa ya kugawanya watu kwa msingi wa kikabila. Juzi mumeona kwa runinga kila pahali. Mmoja wetu hapa Kenya anaenda kule, anakashifu taifa lake, anakashifu wenyeji wake, anakashifu hata wale anazungumzia kikabila mpaka wenyewe wanachoka, wanamwambia ndugu, na huo ukabila umepita kiasi. Sasa unakuwa kiongozi wa taifa na unaenda na wewe ndio unakashifu taifa lako kwa njia ambayo defeats all reason and all logics kwa taifa la ng'ambo huko, to the extent that ukiongea, we don't know whether you are speaking as a security officer for the American government ama you are talking as a Kenyan. Kenya is a sovereign state. Kenya ni taifa ambalo tulipata huru zaidi ya miaka 60 iliyopita. Hatuwezi kuwa na kiongozi ambaye anasema he wants to lead the country and you're the one talking as if you are talking as a security or investigative officer of a foreign nation or a foreign authority. Please respect your country, respect your nation. That is what patriotism is all about. Hawezi ukaenda kule ndo unazungumza kiholela until we can only doubt your patriotism.
Munini wa rais Profesa Kithure Kindiki nekithwira neti bakairiria utungata boki momwire ndene nthiguru ya Kenya kenda Kenya bonde bethra betungatirwa urokubatere kulukine thirite itare thirikari ya William Ruto na mubango yo kinyaniria barabara cionthe kenda bethra bakiingia mawira nayo kiria Kenya hari timiarie kire ndungo ya wentere chia Northeastern.
William Ruto decided on the first year to bring universal health care, and the politics, the litigation, the resistance, the noise, was just too loud. But I'm glad we persevered, and that's why we are where we are today. 25 million is very commendable. It's almost a half of Kenya, almost. So it's not a bad thing. And we have another 2 years. I'm sure we'll reach 30-something, 40 million, which is huge. That's a huge milestone. So the debate today is on perfecting the health cover, making it perfect. That's the debate. It's not whether it's good or not. It's perfecting it, making it work better. And we can see some of the interventions that have just begun now, I think last week, with the medical equipment for the lower hospitals in level 2, 3, and 4. That if we can put diagnostic equipment in those lower level hospitals, and then also the changes that we are making on the supply of medical drugs, so that we don't send drugs to counties. Because county headquarters, you create another bureaucracy. So now we are aligning medicines to the institution. So the medicine goes directly to the health center, to the hospital from Nairobi, from KEMSA. Of course, the counties will help us to know which hospital, which health center needs what, but the delivery, the supply chain goes directly to the institution. So we are perfecting the insurance. Of course, also there are issues around timeliness of the payouts and so forth. There are issues which are creeping around fraud, where people who are not qualified are trying to benefit from the system. I think Minister Duale and the team there are doing a good job to clean up that so that we don't have another NHIF, which NHIF where, you know, public money for public health is just stolen by people who are making fictitious claims. We also are on course with a roads program. Our roads program had stalled, but now we've come with an innovative financing model to sustain road construction for the remainder of this time.
Ikundi kimo kumantere chiembe nikiritanirite kwa na mataro kiri mono mmoja bakiwa mono na urite kabisa na kwethira akiula na maturene ni batarite muno ntere chiembe anabandi bethirite baete aniro na bainge bone bokumite kinya kiri utumiri bonda wa chambogita ontubura bukudira nende boekira uturo bo watine bonene. Nicola Chabari ana ripotie.
Mbere ondere watene kutakwina problem with the boy child.
Obura mwana mweja ukarataka gutejanirwa ane mugongo na utire muntu akwaria amanto mamukonenie ende gikundi ikia ambe ombithi bamakuma ataoni ya Lare Igembe North ibebumiretie na kuga baba kayotia akanya kuthinambe na kurutana ana abaeje bura batiri kwithira baikura abwega nikenda bathinambe na kwithira bae na muturire umwega gwa ntuo charo.
We don't worry at all, just let us come together. Maybe we need to have many other talks like this anytime. Na inkobweta bwenda bwe twaraniri. We can see you are doing a lot to the girl child. Como protect, como empower, but you are missing the point because you are losing this other nini. Huyu mtu mwingine anaitwa boy child. Tafadhali. Batu today boy child itu ya moto aranirie to solve the nasi yetu.
Ndolele muno ndona kana kaiye na wetu katieri nyuma sana na manto maingi sana. Na ikaurerete manto nya maingi ya nthiguru muno. Muno ndagone cia bogita na irai nyingi cio tuma ukethira na mirimo mathwania ira lead to mirimo enge mingi sana na lead nya anaba thaka bomba kuthwania kucioroa bangi bakaumantho na ndona ibuya kubeta twetwaranirie tume mathina yonthe.
What we have come to realize is that to empower the girl child na the boy child are empowered. So nebu nonto duare kya kwaleli no ko na kwina a lot of cases anaba nini betu ya mira anaba nini bakiri yotheri na anaba nini mno betu eka ninya actually nyo in the marketplaces okay aitinya in sheds kantio tuko manto yo yonde akubwetheka baba okay baba wengi watrima the boy child
sa pasta kinya kanisa ni mpedireto nkiona challenge you no nto kinya kanisa ne boy child ni katueta kubauria mesie kinya tubelenka barekana na nchobi barekana na bangi barekana na thigara lakini ngao child are baba ngino nto bare empower ndi bakuthomethwa bati usumburani manto ya maingi iba komba kuyendia kanisa ne iba komba weta skuru lakini boy child ni ibatianiretwe
ringana na bo bali ugaibonete mwana mweji takatejanirĩtwe na mwana mochiari itaka kuthinambe na kuingiria mwana mweji irinyani na ugwende bakiuga ibwega chiari na bagaichokaneria na kumenyera kinya mwana mweji bakimenyera mwana mwari.
What does this mean? Tukwempower mwana mwari lakini mwana boy child atembi atema
ngire asiari barabe musie inko baromba tafadhali kana kaika menyerwe uimbu waremo aciari betu twatanire kana kaiye tola no gatana akiri to katana mwere na to akatira nde karitana na nde ukaritana manto amaya akiotire ukaritana manto amaya
boromba asiari nko boromba pastors wenzangu nko boromba arimu ethiro ni bukiareria boy child mwethiro bukiba empower
kwenda kuria asiari betu mno bakethero bakiulawa mwana ndaka nontu rimwe mno nawe tu mtu atanwa asiari aba mutea bakareka nawe so tunataka tu kuuliza tu asiari betu pendele utumenyera yoba menyera mwana mwari
Kumala Igembe North Betan Class Chabari.
Rais William Ruto na kathite ngwataniro ateatika Kenya na thiguru ya Amerika. Ruto awite uteabo California borera na Kenya Silicon Savannah bukethro bubo kiguni kinene kiri thiguru ya Kenya. Rais aritiarira kuwechoeni nkiama ya kuma California itongeretu ni mwandiki wa Talks Omishikin.
Hello, how are you? Great. Hello, good people. Okay. We appreciate that you have chosen Kenya as part of your footprint around our continent. And I promise you on behalf of these good people here, colleagues from Kenya, that we are ready, we are willing, we are available to partner and to see what we can do together in a mutually beneficial engagement between our two countries. We are very proud of the relationship between Kenya and the United States, and we will continue to forge a relationship both at the bilateral level and all the way to what we can do collectively as the family of nations, because we believe in the values of freedom, of democracy, which underpin what Kenya stands for. I believe that the expertise that have been built over many years in California with your technology companies can be laced and infused with African experience. And the young men and women we have in our country that have ideas, they have passion around technology, and they have immense to contribute into that space. So your coming here is a great expression of friendship. It is a moment for us to take our engagements to a whole new level.
The aim of this program is to advance zero.
Otone kanya kakuno kainchokerete na Nteto ingi.
Weru FM. Maua, Kangeta, Isiolo, Kianjai, Mudhara, Ruire, Nkobo, Motindwa, Okangangi, Mekindori, Marimanti, Chuka, Chogoria, Kunde, Normore, Rwa Ameru.
Grace Park Medical Hospital ni sibitari ire tongeretie kiri wajani botungata bogima bwa mwiri na iri na uteabwa kinande gutigira aje baraba gutungatirwa ku iba gutatirwa bwina njira ibatere
muchiari yakoya ami yakoya akudari mwana. How does she benefit? Kanani utedio buri kwa kawa
mwekorojo ezire na maybe rwakai kana tina rwakai na expectations tiawe ugamba idhana kamba intuko na ketho ndikwe kwa mwana. Lucky enough in our facility we have Monday to Friday where we have gyna clinics.
Tell us about Mantiyegie test chenu na ivimi, you know.
Okay. Hakuna kipimo takuja Grace Park ukose. Even if we are outsourcing that lab test to Nairobi or maybe to South Africa kwa bilabi ita mwankano, you are under us. Tote kueranga ita ukagiterwe na.
Kenda kumenya mantu nkuruki iguru rya Grace Park Medical Hospital motungata yayo na mirimo ira erigitaga gwatana Phineas Imana ntuko shonda cia Jumatano bari na ataramu kuma Grace Park Medical Hospital kwambira thegire na ndeka 50 munka theto ndeka 20 utuku aja ndene ya Weru TV rumuri rwa Amiru.
Grace Park, your health our priority.
Meru National Polytechnic nigituge na njoru ya obundi note anthigurune kuma kwambirirwa kwa mwaka jwa 1956 ni cukuru egarukite na kwa kingira kya nthiguru gukuria ngugi cia njara. Wiritaniria gwetu ni kwari tobeto uritani bugwetaniria negita uba umenyo na dhamana ya muturire kubathuranira ni untuba maite na mena mira jareja ciuma iria muturirene.
This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
What's it? Iko on. Killer game in a matter. Reconnect now. Dial *423#.
Take gake kabeja na kamutu gake
kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice siri ni mutujo nice extra premium
mutindi nyagia na kamusere
inyaju twenaju jwambishori kuma nice rice millers mwea
mogori wa kinyandu kene etia motujwa nice extra premium nkima ya motujwa nice extra premium eja nampwe ina mushamujo muthongi na nikwetaga ugwe na nje ku nutrients na shio chabatisha nice extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ni imboro na imure mutheri motutujonge ni nice extra premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice.
Watuika wina kioria yendekithia kana no kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimu namba 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197.
Ji nice na nice extra premium.
The stage is hotter. The pressure unmatched on Next Superstar. The top 10 contestants are giving it everything they've got. Renew your subscription for 2 months on your current bouquet and get upgraded to the next bouquet for 60 days. The battle is on for the crown of Africa's next hit maker. Every performance could be their big break or their final bow. Who will rise? Who will fall? Who will win it all? Renew your subscription for 2 months.
Arimba madani kuma Nteto kathangariri kaunti na Embu ne bamukirite Muritani kienda kubatetheria ukiria urimbo po madani boni kienda kuthira nende bakiongerera mbesa mubukoni na kinyama ciarayo kuthira kiongeleka mainda ya maingi Rita Mwaniki aina Nteto.
Arimi ngiri 2,900 kuma kiganda kia manjani gia kathangarire ni magwatite mathomo ma kwagirithia urimi wao wa manjani niguo makorwe na maketha mengi na uguo magakorwo na umithio makiria. Mathomo mama mavecanitwe ni utongori wa kiganda giki magwatanirite na Rainforest Alliance.
Na tunyitanite na arimi a Mount Kenya haria turamafundithia mathomo ma gukuria indo makiroraga tiri wao na makiroraga mazingira. Mradi uyu twikirinyaga na twiyembu no muthi ni tukite kunyitana na KTDF Foundation hamwe na Board of Directors a factory ino.
Mathomo mama wa uguo maukite wariria urimi wa manjani urenda gwikirirwa makiria kuona engi arimi aya mari na migunda minini no ati makenda bakore na umithio munene makiria ta arimi aria mari na migunda minene.
Mbere tukuongera production na mbuge kuongera production ni kindu kina bata muno na quality thini wa factory tondo kithomo ngima rathomithwa nikio tukuvota gututethia twi factory ya Kathanga ageni arimiane ndo kithomo ngima thomithitwe makavota gwikira migunda yao manyua kana na njira mwanya thumu magekira fertilizer na makavota gukorwo ni maramirima kuringana na uria ngirigaca arenda kuringana na kithomo kira mathomete kana process ya kithomo gikionthe makorete makewirwa kuma kavinda kara mambiririe.
Na varia arimi aya mamukirite mathomo mama na njira mbega makavewa marua cia kuonania mari na kithomo kiu na makauria makorwo makithomithwa ringi na ringi niguo mathi na mbere kwagirithia urimi wao.
Mugundari twikire manjani fertilizer, twikire manjani thumu, twikire manjani na manjani tumakethe wega na tukethe twire na tumuruni ngetha tuvote kwigira mbia nigetha tuvote kwikira mbia muvukori.
Na ngano wega muno ndo wa musuri ndo wa kuturetere mathomo maria magutuguna kuvota kutungata maundu mau mothe morimi na meka wega marete kavinda karia kagirire karia migunda yanyivire koguo urimi ucio tuguthii kuthondeka riu ni urimi wa mundu wena kamugunda kanini aongerera ugi ucio wa musuri tukinavota kuongera production.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu mbita Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.
Mutheo Nteto cia Weru Thaa Mugwanja mubango yu iteni yuaregemeni eta na bere kurumira Weru TV.